Welcome back to yet another episode. Today is the big day and thankfully it's sunny, so the weather is good. So today we're gonna cut up this body in a bit, but first I need to finish up from the last episode, and basically sorry for the strange last episode. But it is what it is. And I just need to, before cutting up, I need to finish up removing gas, brake and clutch pedals. And this cover is held in by small cross-headed pins like this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and two is connected here with to the wings. So we're gonna remove that also, just to get the windscreen wiper mechanism out. Basically, and then the cutting can begin. The fuses is held in by 10mm heads. Basically just go around to here, some down there. Let's see afterwards how many screws and where they were, but you just undo that and it comes off as a bulk. So the pedals, gas pedal is held in by 10mm screws, 2 up there and 2 down there. The brake pedal 5, 4 around and 1 on top, as I can see. Maybe there's more. And the clutch is also 4 around, 1 on top, and those are all 12mm. Underneath we have this little metal thing that's held in by 15mm screws. You can see there's the front of the car and there's the rear tire, so it's right there. So we reached the end of this episode, and the cutting, as you can see, is finished. I will include some, there already was included some pictures of it, but yeah, tasks are finished. We have a lot of stuff there. Managed to get out rear windows without any hassle. There's what's left there. In the next episode we're gonna start dismantling this frame. Also, we'll do a little inspection on which frame at the end I want to use, because currently looking at this one, I think this one is in better shape than the last one. Nevertheless, thanks for stopping by, thanks for visiting. Consider subscribing if you like what you saw. There will be much more interesting stuff. And yeah, see you in a week, I hope. See you in the next episode. Bye.